Hey everyone! Today I'm taking you on an adventure through one of Europe's best-kept secrets, Albania. Albania is like that amazing restaurant you stumble upon by accident and then can't stop telling your friends about. Nestled between the Adriatic and Ionian Seas, Albania is a hidden gem that's only just beginning to sparkle on the travel radar. If Europe were a jewellery box, Albania would be the sparkling gem everyone's just now discovering. In this video, I'll reveal 10 must-see places in Albania, each offering a unique experience and a story you'll want to tell forever. From ancient cities to turquoise beaches, fairy tale castles to mountain hideaways, let's explore why Albania deserves a top spot on your travel bucket list. Welcome to Berat, the city of 1,000 windows. Ottoman-era houses line the hillside, each window gazing over the Osum River. As a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Berat's whitewashed homes and red-tiled roofs are beautifully preserved. Don't miss the hilltop castle for breathtaking valley views. Stroll cobbled streets, meet friendly locals, and discover handcrafted souvenirs. Next up is Gjirokastër, another UNESCO gem, often called the Stone City. This place is straight out of a fairy tale, with stone houses clinging to the mountainside and a massive castle that looks like it's guarding a forgotten kingdom. The castle is one of the biggest in the Balkans and offers epic panoramic views over the Drino Valley. Inside, you'll discover museums, ancient armories, and even a spooky old prison. The old bazaar is a treasure trove of handmade carpets, silver jewellery, and local sweets, perfect for picking up a one-of-a-kind souvenir. The city's unique architecture blends Ottoman, Albanian and Byzantine influences in stone and wood. If you love places with stories to tell, Gjirokastër is a spot you simply can't skip. Now, let's trade city streets for wild mountain trails in Theth National Park, Albania's answer to the Swiss Alps. Theth is all about epic landscapes, towering peaks, lush meadows, and crystal-clear rivers weaving through the valley. The legendary Blue Eye, a turquoise spring bubbling up from underground, is a must-see and offers the perfect reward for a day of hiking. Stay in traditional guest houses for legendary Albanian hospitality, cozy chalets, home-cooked meals, and stories by the fireplace. There are endless trails to explore, from gentle walks to challenging climbs. The hike to Valbona Pass is a rite of passage for adventurers, offering some of the most stunning scenery in the Balkans. If you're seeking adventure, tranquility, and a chance to connect with nature, Theth National Park will steal your heart. Now, let's head south to a beach paradise that's been called the Maldives of Europe, Ksamil. The beaches here are simply stunning, with powdery white sand and unbelievable turquoise waters. Tiny islands dot the bay, and you can rent a paddle boat to hop from one to another. Ksamil is also the perfect base for exploring nearby Butrint National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site filled with ancient ruins and rare wildlife. If you're dreaming of the ultimate beach escape without the crowds or the price tag, Ksamil is your new go-to destination. Just a stone's throw from Ksamil lies Butrint, a place where history comes alive at every turn. Walking through Butrint is like stepping onto the set of a time travel movie. You'll wander through Greek theatres, Roman baths, and centuries-old city walls. Butrint's rich tapestry of ruins has earned it UNESCO World Heritage status. Ivy and wildflowers creep over ancient stones, and the nearby lagoon sparkles in the sunshine, making the whole site feel timeless and alive. The museum on site is packed with fascinating artifacts and stories, so don't miss a visit before you leave. Whether you're a history buff or just love a good adventure, Butrint is one of those rare places where you truly feel the wonder of history with every step. Heading north, let's explore Shkodër, a city that's equal parts lively and laid back. At the edge of the city rises Rozafa Castle, an ancient fortress with panoramic views of lakes, rivers and distant mountains. Shkodër is also the gateway to the Albanian Alps, making it the perfect starting point for anyone planning to explore the north. If you want a taste of authentic Albanian life with a side of adventure and culture, Shkodër is the place to be. Ready for more beach bliss? Let's head to Dermi, a coastal village with stunning beaches and a lively summer vibe. Picture crystal clear waters, white pebbles and dramatic cliffs. Snorkel, kayak or just relax on the beach by day. At night, enjoy music and dancing under the stars. Explore hidden coves for a peaceful escape. Dermi is a place you'll want to return to. Now, get ready for a drive you'll never forget, the Lagara Pass. The views stretch from soaring peaks to the sparkling Ionian Sea far below. The Lagara National Park is a wonderland of dense pine forests, alpine meadows and crisp mountain air. There are plenty of viewpoints along the way, perfect for photos and a picnic with a view. For thrill seekers, paragliding off the cliffs is an unforgettable experience. Lagara Pass isn't just a drive, it's a journey through some of Albania's most jaw-dropping landscapes. Our next stop is Apollonia, a city that once inspired poets and philosophers from across the ancient world. Founded by Greek colonists over 2,500 years ago, Apollonia was a thriving centre of culture, learning and trade. Today, the ruins of Apollonia are a peaceful place to wander and reflect, with crumbling columns and grand temples set among rolling hills. Walking here, it's easy to imagine the great thinkers who once studied beneath the shade of these ancient stones. The on-site museum is full of fascinating artifacts and stories that bring Apollonia's past to life. Apollonia is proof that Albania's treasures aren't just found on the coast or in the mountains. Sometimes the richest stories are hidden in plain sight. Last, but definitely not least, let's dive into the energy of Tirana, Albania's vibrant capital. This city is a kaleidoscope of colours, creativity and contrasts, where old meets new at every corner. Start your journey at Skanderbeg Square, the beating heart of the city, surrounded by a mix of Ottoman, fascist and modern architecture. Tirana's streets are alive with art, murals, sculptures and even painted apartment blocks that turn the city into an open-air gallery. Duck into the new bazaar for fresh produce, quirky souvenirs and a taste of local life. Be sure to visit Bloku, a trendy neighbourhood once reserved for communist leaders, now packed with cafes, boutiques and bars. Tirana is a city that never stands still, a place where tradition and innovation dance together. And there you have it, 10 incredible places that prove Albania is one of Europe's most exciting hidden gems. Whether you're craving mountain adventures, sun-soaked beaches, or a deep dive into history and culture, Albania has something for every traveller. So, are you ready to add Albania to your travel bucket list? Let me know in the comments which spot you'd visit first, or share your favourite Albanian memory. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell for more travel adventures from around the globe.